This is a 250 watt glue gun which uses the 12mm glue stick. It takes approximately 5 minutes to heat up before it's ready to use. It's suitable for bonding jobs like toys and models, artificial flowers, decorations, furniture, woodworking, cardboard, and much more. As you require glue, so you pull the trigger and the hot molten glue is discharged from the front of the nozzle. Please be careful as the tip and the glue itself can heat up to 200 degrees C. The glue will then start setting as it cools in a few minutes. Once the glue stick is used up, so you can replace the next stick in the back of the gun. The glue will set in the gun when the unit is turned off, but it will melt again as you turn it back on again, so there's no need to clean the inside of the gun after use. The cord length is approximately 1.5 meters long, so you will need to use it near a plug point. You can use an extension lead and it only draws 250 watts, so there's no concern with any overheating cables. Often a glue gun is one of those tools you've never really used before, but once given a try, you'll use it for so much more. Glue guns are quick and easy to use, and most importantly, effective as it sets quickly with a strong bond. To keep my workshop neat and tidy, I made a housing for my glue gun and the glue sticks. I made it out of some scrap timber and I glued all the pieces together with my glue gun. This way it keeps them all together, and any excess glue that leaks out will leak onto the sacrificial board. If you like this clip, let us know. Like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews and DIY how-tos.